Hey, I'm Aline Polani, and here's key number 3. All people who successfully lost weight had a strong goal in mind. They all pictured themselves achieving that goal, and this kept them going even when their motivation was low. So, what is your goal? I want you to take the piece of paper and write down your goal. For example, Lisa, my friend behind the Morning Fat Melter program, wanted to lose 40 pounds and become fit and sexy, and because she worked hard for it, she achieved it. Another client of mine, Angie, was close to 270 pounds when she started, so her goal was to lose 120 pounds. So we divided that goal into smaller ones. First goal was to help her lose 20 pounds in the first month. She only lost 18. Then we aimed for 15 for the second month, and she lost 23. And so on, she finally lost 121 pounds in 9 months. So again, take your time and write down your goal. If it's a very big one, you could divide it in smaller ones. And then, I want you to close your eyes and picture yourself as the new you. Relax and imagine you look in the mirror and you see how attractive you are. Imagine that you are walking down the street and people are admiring you for how great you look. Notice how you feel. Don't open your eyes yet. Just enjoy the feeling. I would like you to do this short exercise every day for the next 30 days because it is really important for your transformation. So write down your goal and then close your eyes and imagine how you feel after you have achieved your goal and enjoy the feeling.